Hey friends, welcome again. So in today's video we will see that how to hide or unhide desktop icon. Okay, sometimes we need our desktop completely blank, so for that you can use this option. So for hiding the desktop icons, you can simply move your cursor anywhere the blank space on your desktop like this. Okay, now click right click. Okay, so when you will right click, you will see this option view. Okay, this is view. So now in view, here is the option show desktop icon, which is by default, as you can see, check mark here. Simply uncheck and you will see that all the desktop icon will disappear like this. Now there is no desktop icon will show you. Okay, if you want those desktop icon back, means if you wanted to unhide those desktop icons, simply click right. Okay, then again go to view. Okay, now show desktop icon, click check mark. Okay, check mark this option. Now you will see that all the desktop icon is here. So this is how you can hide or unhide desktop icon.